In 2020, we ran a survey to gain insight on the topics you wanted to see within the SAP Concur community. By surveying our community frequently, we're producing the most up-to-date and relevant content you need to lead your organization. Well, we asked and you delivered. According to our survey, the top themes that were the most compelling for members were data and reporting, compliance and controls or fraud, and audit processes. Here are some examples from our SAP Concur employees and community members who have discussed these 3 hot topics. Remember, your input helps us inform agendas for future events, webinars, and forums for our customers. Don't see what you're looking for? Begin posting today and let the community know what's on top of your mind. Check out our video titled How to Post in a User Group to see how you can get started.